Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a low mileage 2013 GMC Terrain SLE all-wheel drive, stock number Z6946XX. Only 48,000 miles on this one owner. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Iridium metallic in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 5-year 100,000 mile powertrain warranty. Safe vehicle as well. It's in it 5-star front and side government crash rating. Seats 5. Lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera for additional safety. Lots of cargo space in the rear with additional storage cubbies on both sides, as well as power outlet. Only low miles, but very clean as you can see. This SLE has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel, puts you in that perfect driving position. Pages. Again, only 48,000 miles. With driver information system, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen infotainment system, for radio. It's also satellite radio capable, navigation, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones to Pandora and Stitcher radio apps. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for radio, heating and air conditioning, 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability, as well as economy mode. Lots of storage space in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those mobile media devices like iPods, MP3 players, smartphones, and a spacious glove box with all the owner's material inside. Under the hood, this Terrain has a 2.4 liter, 4-cylinder, 182 horsepower. Very clean under the hood, as you can see. Excellent fuel economy, especially for an all-wheel drive crossover. EPA average of 20 miles to the gallon and the city average of 29 on the highway. And ready to go with new brakes and new tires. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com or text SCZ6946XX to 66245.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.